Namaskar everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is well. Last day I was not feeling well, so I went out in the afternoon with my younger brothers for a little walk, and my friend was with me. We first entered the park at Joshua Airport, and the park entry fee was only 14 taka. When you go to the airport park, those of you who have not actually seen the plane up close, you can see the real plane and take a picture. You need to buy a ticket from here to take picture. The airplanes you can see here are basically training to be কি বলে ওই যে যারা প্রশিক্ষণ নেয় to be trained. Air Force training is conduct only at Joshua Airport, Bangladesh. Then we went to the airport museum. I am not a blogger, just a hobby. I make videos so that I can these memories later on. We all left the museum. Then me and my younger brothers are making a videos. My friends is posing beside me, so he will take a picture. There are trains for the little kids and the donut train, but it's shaped like an airplane, so it's nice to see that there an entertainment facility for the little ones as well. Suddenly, brother sat down the swing. Everyone can swing. In fact, we went at dusk, which made the evening pass quickly. You can see in the video how it got dark all around, which made the videos not good. Bangladesh Air Force was established on September 28, 2071 in Dimapur, India, and on April 7, 2072, Bangladesh Air officially started operations. Bangladesh has three international airports and five domestic airports. Everyone will be fine and healthy. I am living here today. Thank you.